Tamil Nadu, where there's a big setback for the Tamil Nadu government. The Madras High Court has squashed the land acquisition process for the 10,000 crore rupee Salem Highway project. The project has been facing a lot of opposition from local farmers as well as environmentalists. My colleague Pramod Madhav now joins us on the phone line. Pramod, if you can explain to us what really the court said here as they put this entire process on hold.
Certainly, this is the dream project of the Chief Minister as he announced it in the Assembly, claiming that 10,000 crores has been allocated for this particular project, where he wanted to construct a 273-kilometer eight-way lane connecting Salem to Chennai. But apparently, because of environmental forces and the way the land was taken away from the farmers, it did become a big issue because no proper information or indication was provided to the farmers in that area that their lands being taken. And people in that area also questioned why do they need a third lane when they already have two highways connecting Salem to Chennai. Apparently, what the court went forward is that how could the government go ahead and confiscate land without getting the clearance from Environmental Board and other important departments? And that's the reason they have quashed all the orders that were passed by the Tamil Nadu government, and they have claimed that the land should be given back to the farmers within a period of 8 weeks' time. This definitely is a big setback for the Chief Minister. Though he's campaigning all across the state, he hasn't spoken about this issue so far.
Right, Pramod, and that's exactly crucial here because we've heard all along, we've been reporting from the affected people's property as well, who have been who've seen their land taken away suddenly, who've seen their livelihood perhaps put in jeopardy by this project. But we've also seen activists themselves who've been talking about the environmental impact that this mega project would have.
Certainly does, because it is going through a reserve forest area and there was no proper action documentation or any kind of clear information as to how much forest area would be devastated. In fact, there was also a kind of like the data collected by the environment which showed that almost 8 small hills, very important small hills with a varied ecosystem would be destroyed because of this particular project. The government, though, stated that nothing of that kind would occur. It seems like as the argument went to the Madras High Court, they could not prove themselves right over there because they did not get any kind of environment clearance so far, and that's why the Madras High Court has quashed it. Though the Chief Minister has said that nothing about this matter, Rajendra Balaji, the Minister for Dairy Products, has come forward and said that the state might think about appealing in the higher courts. It definitely will not suit well, and it seems like until the elections, the state government will not go ahead and do anything like that.
Thanks, Pramod, for joining us.